safari.
Myra 3D printed 5 African animals and she's going to teach us all about them. Are you ready? Can you show us where Africa is?
Africa is right the green one.
And Africa is home to some of the most amazing animals in the world.
Yeah.
Okay, Myra, which one do we start with?
Lion.
Oh, tell me about this one.
Lions have a group that's called pride.
What else is special about lions?
They are very loud because they shout very loud.
Okay, like what?
Like "Roar!"
Oh, you scared me, Myra.
Lion was right there.
Okay, go to the next one. What's this one?
Elephant.
Okay, what do you know about elephants?
Elephants are very big, and they're the big land animal in the full world.
Oh, the biggest in full world?
Yeah.
And what do they use their trunk for?
So for saying "Whoa!"
Perfect. Where does elephant go in Africa?
Right here.
Alright, what is this?
A giraffe.
Okay, why is this one tall?
To eat leaves top of the trees.
Top of the trees? And that's why they have long neck?
Yeah.
And what else do you know about giraffe?
They are the tallest land animal in the world.
In the world? Yeah. You know everything. Where does giraffe go?
It's right behind the elephant.
Which one is this?
Cheetah.
What do you know about cheetah?
Cheetahs have brown spots and they run very fast.
How fast do they go?
Speed limit.
You know, a cheetah can run as fast as our car goes on the road.
What? Why? Behind the lion.
Alright.
Lion fell.
What's the next one, Myra?
I'm picking it up. How can I put it?
What's this one?
Rhinoceros.
What do you know about rhino?
Rhinos have 2 horns.
And you know, what are these horns made of?
Yeah.
What?
What nails are made out of?
Just like your nails?
Yeah.
Isn't that fascinating?
Yeah.
Our nails can be that strong as rhino's horn.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Rhino goes right behind the cheetah.
Alright. Okay. Now, Myra, you have all the animals on Africa.
Yeah.
Can you name them all fast?
Lion and elephant, giraffe, cheetah, and rhinoceros.
Nice. Which one is your favorite, Myra?
Lion because it's my favorite color pink.
Okay. So now we are leaving Africa and traveling to a whole new continent. Can you guess which one? Here is a clue. Can you show it to the camera?
I can't do it.
Yeah, let's keep it a surprise. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Myra's safari is just getting started. Bye.
Bye bye.